Hello everyone. Hope you are doing well. In today's video, we will learn some more important program that is converting the number into a binary. So here the input is like this. If we give like 10, the output will be like this 1x 1x. So first, converting the number into binary, right? So 1010, then replacing 0 to x here. So the output will be 1x 1x here. And here public class test case 1. So it defines a class name test case 1. So inside like in Java everything must be inside the class. And here public static void means string array args. So this is the main method and entry point of the Java program. So when you run the program, main of starts executing. Here the actual program begins. So here step 1, declare and initialize the integer variable n with value 10 here. So here int n equal to 10. So here creates an integer variable n and assigns it the value 10. Here this is the step 2. Convert the integer n into a binary string. So here integer dot to binary string of n. Convert the number into its binary form. String s equal to integer dot to binary string of n here. So here convert the integer n to a binary string. 10 in decimal becomes so 1010 in binary, right? So the binary method like two binary string of n right here we are using. So it is a predefined method in Java. Java has lots of predefined methods. So here this is a step 3. Replace all 0 characters with x characters in the binary string. S dot replace of 0 x goes to the string and changes every 0 to x here. So here string h equal to s dot replace of 0 x here. So here replace all 0 characters in the binary string with the character x here. So here 1010, right, the binary number, it becomes 1x 1x. So this is the meaning for that. And here system.out.println of h. So here it prints the final method string to the console. The output will be 1x 1x. So here end of the main method and end of test case 1 class here. So yeah, this is the simple program. So yeah, I will give you a brief explanation for this program. So this Java program converts a given number n equal to 10, that is, so into its binary form, then replaces every 0 with x and finally prints the result. So this is the program. Now the program will be like, first the integer n is converted into a binary string using integer dot to binary string of n. For example, 10 becomes 1010, right? So then using s dot replace of 0 with x, all zeros in the binary strings are replaced with x. So 1010 becomes 1x 1x. Finally, the method like the modified string 1x 1x is printed to the console. So yeah, this is the program. So the program converts a number into a binary, replaces all zeros with x and prints the string. So this is the program. And now we will save the program. We'll run the program. We'll see what the output is. So yeah, this is the output for this program. And yeah, I hope you like the video. Please share, like and subscribe. Don't forget to comment. Thank you.